Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Ecofunomics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, the founder of Ecofunomics. This is lecture 12 of data analytics using SPSS, and in today's lecture, we will be covering MANOVA using SPSS. About Ecofunomics, Ecofunomics is registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, MSME, Skill India, Startup India, and currently we are also IBM Partner Plus, and we are serving knowledge across 168 countries. I think that's about it about Ecofunomics. This is a certificate course, and if you want to register to the certificate course of data analytics using SPSS, the link is down in the description. All you need to do is register yourself, learn at your own pace, and once you're ready, answer the examination and the certificate will be couriered to you. That's it. If you do not know how to install the software, please write to us. If you want the handout or the notes, because my book is not yet ready. It is going to be published soon. So if you want the handout or the notes, please write to us at contact@ecofunomics.com. Comment down below, or you can WhatsApp us on the WhatsApp number being displayed on your screen. That's about it. Let's roll into the video. Theory about MANOVA before we enter into the software. So MANOVA is basically multivariate analysis of variance. It is a process that provides regression analysis and analysis of variance for multiple dependent variables by one or more factor variables or covariates. So basically, in a previous video or previous session, we had learned about one-way ANOVA and two-way ANOVA, where we had tackled the research question where we had only one dependent variable. However, in MANOVA, you can handle more than one dependent variable at the same time. For the sake of example, we have created this notes. So we have spoken about what is dependent variable, what is independent variable, what is a metric variable, what is a non-metric variable. If you do not know and you want to brush up your skills, the video is linked above. So you can watch our previous session, that is session 11, and all the details are going to be there, and in the description, the timestamps are also mentioned. So in case of MANOVA, you can have more than one metric variable. For example, sales, profits, expenditure, anything. Anything that can be represented in numbers is called metric variable. So sales in millions, profits in crores. So any of those things is a metric variable. So where you have more than one, so two or three or more. Okay, dependent variable, and one or more non-metric independent variables. Okay, so again, when we talk about non-metric variables, we are talking about qualitative data such as gender, young, old, education, primary, secondary, tertiary, or bachelor's, master's, PG, whatever. So those. For example, we have sales and advertisement spending, which is a function of gender, age, and education. So the research question is, will the gender, age, or the education of the CEO of the company affect the sales and advertisement spending of the company? So my dependent variable will be sales, advertisement spending, whereas my independent variable will be gender, age, or education. We'll take a look at what type of data we have, and then we are going to proceed. If you do not know how to import the data, again, the video is up here. I believe it is the second session. Please go ahead and watch the video. Okay, let's understand how to achieve or calculate MANOVA in SPSS. Go to Analyze, click on General Linear Model, click on Multivariate. You will have a multivariate dialog box which opens up. For dependent variables, we need to select, excuse me, for dependent variable, we need to select sales and advertisement expenditure. And for fixed factor, we can select, let's say, gender code, uh, age code, and we are selecting experience code. Okay. And clicking on OK. So we do not have education in my data, but we have experience. Okay. And clicking on OK. Okay. This is how your MANOVA table will look like. Now, this is a normal general summary where it says there are 13 observation, 12 observation with 1, gender code 0, female, 13 observation, gender code 1, male, 12 observation, gender code 0, young, I believe. Let me check. 0 is young and 1 is old. And experience again, I believe, experienced, not experienced or inexperienced is 0 and experienced is 1. Okay. And this is my output result. Let's take a look. We scroll down to the second table. Again, MANOVA is also an analysis of variance. Hence, we have our F values for gender in sales. The F value is 1.292 and the significance is 0.27, which is greater than 0.05. Hence, it is not significant, for which means that the gender in this scenario is not affecting the sales of the company. For advertisement, the value is F value is 4.372 and it is positive with 0.05 significance level, which means gender of the CEO is affecting the sales advertisement expenditure of the company. Similarly, for age in sales, we see the F value is 0.012 and it is not significant. Hence, age is not affecting the sales of the company. For advertisement, we see the F value is 0.062 and the significance is 0.8. Again, so age is not affecting the advertisement expenditure. Experience for sales is F value is 10.128 and significance is 0.005, which means experience of the CEO is affecting the sales of the company. And for advertisement, it is F value is 0.394 and the significance is 0.5. So experience is not affecting the advertisement expenditure of the company. So in case of interaction term, we are not looking into them right now because we haven't achieved any proper results. So if you want to know what's an interaction term and how to interpret it, please watch the previous video, that is session 11. I think that's about it for MANOVA. And if you have any doubts, comment down below, write to us. We'll definitely get back to you. Until next time, bye, like and subscribe.